2011 nang sumikat ang Thai movie na Crazy Little Thing Called Love sa Pilipinas, kung saan ang bidang aktor na si Prishon o Mario Maurer sa tunay na buhay ay naimbitahan pa sa ating bansa upang mag-endorser ng isang local clothing line. Maraming Pinoy ang sadyang napahanga sa binata at dahil patuloy din ang pagsikat ng ilan pang mga Thai movie sa bansa, marami sa atin ang nagiging interesado sa pamumuhay na meron ng mga Thai. Para simulan ang pagtuklas ng kanilang mayamang kultura, tikman ang Thai cuisine.
This is a Thai restaurant which have several Thai foods. We serve fresh and authentic Thai food. We pick a very best seller from Thailand and also which Filipino likes our Thai food. So most of our food in our menu is pumpkin Thai food. We serve a very authentic ingredients, and most of our ingredients is from Bangkok. So we don't substitute any ingredients here in the Philippines. So the taste will be very authentic.
Sa pagbisita sa Thai restaurant na ito sa Makati, siguradong mapaghahandaan mo ang pangarap na dinner date kasama si Mario.
We have 5 dishes here, which I will introduce one by one. So this one is Pad Thai, which is we call fried rice noodles, and this is shrimp flavor. So you can choose chicken or pork, but the authentic one is shrimp. Next one here is green curry. It's Thai chicken green curry. So this part we select the chicken meat only without bone, so it's boneless. Next one is Nam Tok. That is our new menu. That is Northeast Thai food. We call Isan food. So that is pork neck part grilled with minced leaves and several ingredients with this. Very authentic also, and the taste is very spicy and it's like Thai salad. Here is Tom Yum. It's a very famous soup in Thailand and Philippines, I guess around the world, so Tom Yum. So here we call Tom Yum Nam Khon. So Tom Yum Nam Khon is the creamy one with the coconut milk. Because we have 2 kinds of Tom Yum. We have Tom Yum Nam Sai and Tom Yum Nam Khon. Nam Sai is not without coconut, so it's very simple. This one is very creamy, spicy, and sour and tasty. So this one is shrimp flavor. Here is Khao Phu Kapi. Khao Phu Kapi in Philippines called Thai bagoong rice, but we use Thai bagoong. And with the sweet pork, lime, and sour the green mango, red onion, and string beans, and the egg. If you want spicy like Thai authentic way, we have chili for you. So the way you eat, you will mix all together and you can enjoy it.
ขอเชิญทุกท่านที่ชอบอาหารไทยมาทานที่นี่นะคะ ขอบคุณมากค่ะ
Hindi passport o ticket ang kailangan sa pagkilala ng isang dayuhang kultura. Kung minsan, sapat nang handa ang iyong pulsa at sikmura.